I must ask you a question. Paper planner or digital? Casey here with another video for you. Today's video is about planning, and I'm going to share a link to my previous planner video where I shared with you my paper planner that I made. In my hunt for the perfect planner, I have found that I just wanted to make my own because all the beautiful, fancy, wonderful planners out there either had way too much stuff that I never used or didn't have the things that I wanted in my planner. So I made my own, and I'm gonna link that video for you. But what's really exciting for me and why I'm sharing today's video is a planner process video, or a planning process video, and how I digitized my planner for myself. And so I'm going to turn the camera around and get to work with outlining our week. I do a mix of planning ahead and then what's referred to as planning from behind, where you don't really write things down until you're doing them or have done them. It's kind of like a reverse planning. I found that planning too detailed in advance sets me up for frustration because life happens and all the best laid plans can be so quickly derailed by necessary errands that pop up, or a friend needs you to watch your kids, or somebody gets sick. So many different things. When homeschooling is your lifestyle, life happens. And so when I try to do super detailed plans ahead of time, I end up having to erase and scratch and move and all the things. So I do a simple outline of our daily work, and then the key, like, main idea lessons for history, science, and Bible. And then as the week goes on, each day I can kind of come back in and jot down little notes or extra things that we've added, and it works really well for me. So I'm gonna flip it around and work through our week, and you can watch me in action as I drag and drop and write and all the things. And then, yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. All right, guys, so pretty simple, but that is how I am lining out our weeks on my digitized homeschool planner that I made. And there are other pages in this planner that I have also, like I use it just like I do the print one. So if you've seen that video or go back and watch it, you'll see all the different pages that were important to me or that I felt were important for homeschool planning. And I just drag and drop the images into GoodNotes and write over them, and it's super simple process, but very effective for me. And then I just save it as a digital planner, and then if I ever have to print it for any reason or want to print it, I can do that very quickly. But if the need doesn't arise, it's not one more thing for me to keep track of or store in our home. So just one more way that I'm trying to simplify things for myself and for our family and not lose my mind. But thanks for watching today's video. Drop me a comment, tell me where you're from if you're new here or have come back for another video. I'd love to know a little bit more about you. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.